Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display section, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the wallpaper option, and here we have to tap on set wallpaper. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the pre-installed options from which we can choose. So we've got pretty options to choose from. We can tap on the gallery and we will enter our own photos. So you can set it as a wallpaper or tap on more. And here again, you've got the pre-installed options, but also the live wallpaper. So if you will have anything, for example, downloaded, it should appear right there. But let me pick something from those options, and as you can see, basically all you have to do to check the preview is to tap on the specific wallpaper. After choosing it, you can also customize it because as you can see right now, I can change the position of the wallpaper, which simply means that I can set a specific part of the wallpaper as the home screen image, or I can make it scrollable, which simply means that it will change accordingly whenever you will change the home screen page. It's up to you basically which option you prefer to use. I think I will set this static option, something like that. You can also blur the image, simply tap on this drop icon, and by going to the right you can make it matte, you can make it blur basically, and by going to the left you can sharpen the image, so it's up to you again. If you'd like to set the wallpaper, simply tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Okay, it may take a while, but be patient. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.